So this is my very first video on USDINR February future series. So welcome all to the brand new channel of Classy Trader. On Friday we opened around 73.11 kind of levels and then straight jumped up to the 73.15 kind of levels. The rejection happened there, whereas the stop loss was placed at 73.17 kind of levels to the most of the short sellers according to the data. Then we swiftly went down till 73.0450, but still weekly low was defended around 73.0250 kind of levels, and then we had a quick rise from that low, and we rose till 73.10 kind of levels. After that, post 230, a sudden fall came up, and which ate most of the stop losses of buyers, which was placed near around 73 kind of levels. We made a fresh day's low around 72.9375. The way it was falling, it was looking like it will not fall, will not stop until we touch 72.83, 73, and 72.73. But then swift rise came into the picture, and then we headed towards again midday's high of 73.10. Again we fell back by the closing to 73.0250, and somehow we could manage to close above the weekly low. After the market closing, spot rate is indicating around 7 to 8 paise down opening, so the open could can be around 72.99 if the spot doesn't change till Monday morning around 9 o'clock or something. If we are like seeing spot around 72.78 some kind of levels, we'll definitely gonna have a 5 to 10 paise down closing. So Monday morning spot rates would decide the whole ball game. So let's try to analyze how what best can happen for the buyers who has got stuck onto the higher kind of level. So if you see, this can become a pin bar, and this can be acted as a stop loss for the buyers immediately. Last hourly candle also looks very bullish and indicating a gap up, which is contradictory to the spot rate we are seeing as of now. I would suggest if someone is having the average below 73.10 for their buyings, which means they must have bought around 72.95 and 73 kind of levels also, so they can book their partial profit around 73.12 kind of levels. More bullish people can keep a target of 73.25 and book their profits accordingly. People those who are holding shorts are definitely gonna mint money on Monday, assuming as per the spot rate we are opening downward, so there is no this thing. It's a clear cut win for the 73.00 strike price put buyers. So as of now I see the USD in a range of 73.25 to 72.87. This would be the immediate range for the USD. Let's move on to the GBP INR. After the BOE decision, rate cut decision on Thursday evening, Friday GBP had a great gap up opening. But the funny part is these days GBP is in very stuck, very range bound. We had seen moves like 40 paise, 40, 70 paise, and more than 100 paise moves within a day. But these days, GBP INR is more kind of a range bound. If you see the difference between days high and low, it is just 23 paise. 100.10 seems to be a very clear resistance for the GBP INR to clear. So, uh, support and resistance level for the GBP would be on a higher side. R1 would be 100.15 and another R2 would be 100.40. Support is light straight away at 99.60, and the next support is lying at 99.12. Let's move to the Euro INR. Euro INR, if you see, it's a clear falling knife. But at this situation, also at this juncture, we can safely see the R2 placed at 87.88, and the R1 would be immediately at 87.64, whereas support is lying at 87.50 and next support is lying at 87.34 kind of levels. Japanese yen, which is very thinly traded currency, also falling with the Euro INR. There is no immediate support for the JPY. The next support would be at 69, and the R1 would be placed at 69.34 and then 69.85. I hope these levels helps you. Being this is a first video, I'm not making any more edits and this thing into it. It's just a raw video clip. Please give your all genuine feedback so that I can improve and keep a more stuff into the video. Thank you so much. Happy investing.